interesting. Looks like everything's in the case. How do you open it? I don't know about this crossbar, if I'll have to take it out or not, because I don't know if the GPUs will clear that. We've got this, 12 SATA cables. This must be the front paneling. That would be the USB. What do we have in here? Screws, PC speaker, real beeper. I don't know what those rails are for. Yeah, more screws, and a little product manual. Alright. Okay, there's screws on the side. I'm not sure if I actually want to keep this. Might help with a little bit of dust. But my understanding is these are hot swap drive bays, but you can actually remove the full units, I think, where they're attached to the fans. Like they're all together, so there's like 2 Molex, and then there's 4 SATA ports. And so I assume that just powers everything. And then you have some small little cables. You know, I assume if like there's nothing on across it, I don't know what support that really provides. Well, anyways,